Some people think that the most important thing about being rich is it gives a person the opportunity to help other people. Do you agree or disagree?
Question type is, agree or disagree. Template for answering these type of questions is Introduction. Body paragraph 1. Body paragraph 2. Conclusion. Introduction should contains paraphrasing the statement from question, saying whether you agree or disagree. The body paragraph 1 is the first reason why you agree or disagree. The body paragraph 2 is the second reason why you agree or disagree. Each body paragraph should contains these sentences. Sentence 1, state the reason why you agree or disagree. Sentence 2 and 3, explain your reason. Sentence 4, give an example. Sentence 5, write a short summary of your ideas. For writing conclusion you can use this formula. To conclude, in conclusion, to sum up, to summarize, plus, restating your opinion, plus, restating 2 reasons.
It is said that the most important thing about being wealthy is that it allows people to help others. Although having a great deal of money does give the rich a chance to lend a helping hand to the less fortunate, I believe that it is not their responsibility. On the one hand, becoming wealthy can enable people to ease the burdens of those in need. This is because wealthy people are generally less concerned about their finances, and instead are more open to supporting others. A great example of this is that in almost all charitable organizations, their founders or philanthropists tend to be millionaires, or even billionaires, who are willing to donate a great deal of their fortune to assist individuals who need help. However, despite the undeniable positive social impacts created by helping people, being rich means a lot more than philanthropy. In order to become the upper class in society, most people have to overcome countless difficulties and try very hard to gain their wealth. Therefore, when they become rich, it is reasonable that such individuals would want to enjoy their life to make up for those tiring days of hard work. For example, there are numerous things that wealthy people can do, such as traveling around the world, dining in luxurious restaurants, or even purchasing jewelry or houses. Such activities help people to be satisfied with themselves and prove that their hard work does pay off. To sum up, I would argue that the most important thing about being rich is that it enables people to enjoy more things in life. Although helping others is socially beneficial, it should be optional.
Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like and comment to encourage us making more videos.